Hello everyone, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies and Vapor Blast Manufacturing, and today we're going to show you how to clean to perfection with soda in a wet blast process. So soda is going to be a very soft, very clean, very effective and gentle cleaning process in the wet blast process. And that's because it's not necessarily an actual aggregate. The chemical composition of soda is actually going to be what cleans these parts. So it's not going to give you like a deep clean with an aggregate like a glass bead or a ceramic bead or an aluminum oxide that you would get. But what it's mainly going to do is it's going to get greasy, oily substances, dirt, softer contaminants, maybe light rust off of parts. It's just not going to bring it back to the bare metal finish. So after you use soda, which we'll do this in this video as well, you can actually use our Hydroblast parts washers to wash down those pieces after they're done. Now the advantage of soda is that it's going to dissolve. It's water soluble, so it's not necessarily a huge ordeal if you have some left behind, because it's not like a glass bead where it's an actual aggregate. This is gonna dissolve. But we're gonna show you how you can use the Hydroblast after you're done using the soda so that you can clean those parts off. And very quickly, before we get to blasting, something that we do offer here is free sample testing. So if you guys, you have parts, you're interested in getting a machine, you wanna see what abrasives work best, we have a whole showroom. Obviously, take a look around. We have wet blast, dry blast, parts washing. We can pretty much test any of your parts to see what process and what kind of abrasive is gonna work best for you. So something we also have here too is dry soda blasting. So you can use soda in a wet or a dry format. That's something that we have videos on. If you're interested in seeing those videos, please check the description below. We will have a couple videos linked there. And if you guys have any more questions about abrasives that you can use in the wet or dry blast process, we also have those videos linked below. Now we're gonna get to blasting. We're gonna take a look at how soda can definitely clean and change these parts in a matter of seconds. So as you can see, we just blasted this part in soda. It took about 1.5 minutes. Just went over the front and the back here. But you can see that it got it back to more of a bare metal state, but it's not going to enhance your surface finish any. That's not what soda's for. It's just gonna get it back to bare metal, remove those surface contaminants that are easily able to be removed, like your light rust, your greases, your oils, stuff of that nature. It's not going to give it, as you can see, a surface finish. It's not gonna remove very stuck on contaminants either. Now we're gonna put this in the Hydroblast and see what that machine does post soda blasting. So as you can see after the Hydroblast, there's not much change to this part. Again, this is just heated water, aqueous based detergent, and a very high pressure from 12 to 1700 PSI. What this is mainly used for is pre-cleaning of greases and oils off of your parts before they go into, let's say, a dry blast or a wet blast cabinet, so that you can keep your processes as clean as possible. You can also use it as a post-process too. It's more so used in a post-process if you're using an actual abrasive to get those abrasives out of tight areas, or just completely and thoroughly make sure the part is rinsed. That way those abrasives don't stick around for any type of reassembly, or if you have an engine, they don't stick around in the engine. But that's mainly what this machine is used for. Again, not much change after the use of soda. If you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate, give us a call. Our number here is 828-202-5563.